Hello. Say hello, everyone. Let's make lunch together. We have this squash from the garden, freshly picked. This eggplant. So let's see what we can do. Let's wash this first. Wash it. I'm gonna do it.
You see only there.
Oh, you want to cut this? Hmm?
You
I want to cut
only
this.
there only.
You can cut. Get the plastic knife.
Yeah,
Okay.
not enough. Not everyone. I can't.
Let me do it first.
No! You say that.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it. You cut.
Put it like this. Some salt. Now. Oil. A little bit of oil. Okay.
Done.
Let's mix everything. Let's bake.
Yeah. Wait now. Near your mouth and blow. Okay, bite down, bite, blow. Okay, blow.
Roasted. I put the cooked chickpeas here. Add some salt. Oregano.
Are you